Okay, we're going to create your daily language for week 23. Make sure you have a pen or a marker. When you have a mistake, go ahead and press pause, correct the mistake in pen or marker. Just write right over it and then press play and check the rest of your work. Danny don't want to watch that movie. That's horrible grammar. Danny doesn't want to watch, and notice there's a T in watch, that movie, period, because it's a statement. Okay, Julie's mom said we can ride our bikes instead. Now the mom here belongs to Julie. So when something belongs to somebody, we should automatically know we're going to need an apostrophe S. So Julie's mom said we can ride our bikes instead. Circle the adverb that tells how. Okay, an adverb is a word that tells you that explains the verb more. So we will gladly ride our bike. So ride is the verb here, okay? Because when you're looking for adverbs, you always want to find the verb first. Ride is the verb, and gladly tells you how she's riding. Okay, so the adverb here is gladly. Circle the word that is spelled correctly. Stood. That is spelled correctly. Okay, last Sunday we see wild rabbits. Now see is in the present tense verb, so we need, since it says last Sunday, that's a clue that it was in the past. Last Sunday, Sunday is the name of a day, so capital S. We saw, which is the past tense of see, wild rabbits. And rabbits has two B's in the middle and a period. Sometimes we see them when we go for walks. So sometimes, S-U-M, that's actually a math term meaning addition. So this is how we spell sometimes, S-O-M-E-T-I-M-E-S. We see them when is W-H-E-N, make sure you have that correct. We go for walks. So these words sound the same, but they do not mean the same. This is the number 4, and this is the 4 that we need here. Circle the adverb that tells us when. I saw a rabbit run into a hole yesterday. So whenever you see adverbs, remember you always look for the verb first. So run. And so when did the rabbit run? Yesterday. So our adverb here is yesterday. Our verb is run. Rewrite this sentence in a different order. When the rabbit saw us coming, it ran away. The rabbit ran away when it saw us coming. So we just changed the order around. So when you're writing your sentences, even in your writing, your daily writing, or any of your writing assignments, there are so many ways you can write a sentence. So make sure you experiment with the best way. Our dad read Ramona the Pest. Actually, this one needs to be underlined too. I just can't do that with my typing. With us. And the important words of every title need to be underlined. So Ramona and Pest need to be capitalized. Sometime my little sister is like Ramona. And actually, when you're in 3rd grade, you read Ramona and Beezus. So we'll actually read these books. Sometime my little sister is like Ramona. This should be sometimes with a capital S. My little sister is like Ramona. Ramona is a name, so we need a capital R, and it's a statement, so we need a period. Circle the word that tells the action. My little sister goes to kindergarten. Hopefully you all circled goes as the action. Ramona and my sister really try to do their best, but it isn't easy. Okay, so we're looking for an adverb again. The verb here is try. Okay, that's our action. So how do they try? They really try. And there we go. So really is our adverb. Okay, so we have adjectives and adverbs. An adjective, remember, describes a noun, okay? And an adverb, it's the cheater because it says it in the word, describes a verb, okay? So bright, firm, and slow are adjectives. They can describe any noun. Brightly, firmly, slowly are adverbs. Adverbs often have ly on the end. Not always, but often they do. Write the adjective or adverb that goes with each underlined word. A snail went slowly. We need an adverb here because we're describing a verb here. Went is the verb. The sun shone brightly. We need an adjective or an adverb because it is describing shone, which is a verb. We need a firm ball. Here we need an adjective because we're describing a noun. Ball is a person, place, or a thing, and firm is describing the ball. So that's the difference between an adjective and an adverb. We also need to make sure you've written a sentence, and we will check them when you turn them in, with bright, firmly, and slow. Make sure your sentence has a capital at the beginning. Make sure it has a proper end mark at the end. Make sure there are proper spacing in between the words and it's written neatly, and then you may turn it in.